Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get moringa powder. First, you'll need to source fresh moringa leaves. Look for a local farm or a reputable supplier to ensure quality. Once you have your leaves, make sure they are thoroughly cleaned and free from any pesticides or dirt. Then, gather your equipment, such as a dehydrator, oven, or even just a clean, dry space for air drying. After cleaning, it's time to dry your moringa leaves. You can use a food dehydrator set to a low temperature, typically around 100 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, for several hours until they are brittle. Alternatively, you can air dry them in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight, which might take a few days. An oven on its lowest setting with the door slightly ajar also works. Once your moringa leaves are completely dry and brittle, it's time to turn them into powder. Carefully place small batches of the dried leaves into a clean coffee grinder or a high-speed blender. Pulse until you achieve a fine, consistent powder. Avoid overgrinding, which can generate heat and reduce nutrient content. Sift the powder if you desire an even finer texture. To maintain the freshness and potency of your homemade moringa powder, proper storage is key. Transfer the powder into an airtight container, preferably dark glass, and store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. This helps preserve its beneficial compounds. Aim to use your powder within 3 to 6 months for optimal results. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description for links, including one for Little Tree's Black Ice Air Fresheners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.